Questions 98 to 100 relate to the following graph. B wants to make up a series of commands to describe how to move the grey square and to make it bigger. RY means to reflect in the y-axis. A1 means to go 1 unit square further than normal from the line of reflection. S1 means to keep the same size, while S2 means to double the length of the square. For example, Rx, A2, S2 is shown by the white square. Rx means to reflect the square in the x-axis. A2 means to go 2 extra unit squares away from the reflection line, and S2 means to make the lengths of the square twice as big. 98. If the white square has the instructions RY, A3, S 0.5, what are the coordinates of the centre of the new square? Let's start first of all with RY, which means to reflect in the y-axis. So that means that this vertex of the square will be here, this one will be here, this one will be here, and this one will be here. So this is the square once it's been reflected in the y-axis. We then have the instruction A3, but we also have S 0.5, which means that ultimately the sides of the square will be reduced by half. So instead of a square which is 4 by 4, we'll have a 2 by 2 square. So once this vertex has moved 3 squares away from this y-axis, the reflection line, this is the instruction A3, then it will be here, and this vertex will be here. But of course that square will then reduce in size by a half, meaning the vertex will actually be here, and the bottom vertex will be here. So this will be the left-hand side of the square, and the square itself will therefore look like this, meaning the centre point is now here. The coordinates for that centre point are 5 minus 5. So the right answer to this question was 5 minus 5.